Adjust your outlook on life. See what has always been there. Wait, think. Sometimes a bicycle stands still, not because something is wrong, but because it's time to look. No matter where you are, in another country, town, or in another phase of your life, you are allowed to choose your path with quiet confidence. You are allowed to choose your vision. You are allowed to refine, to restore. This year, you don't have to push. You don't have to pedal harder than life is asking of you. Look first, choose calmly, move with wisdom. The road will meet you. Some paths lead through tunnels, dark and uncertain, but every tunnel is a passage, not a destination. Light awaits in 2026, even if you can't see it yet.